Hello friends, welcome back to this new lecture. In the previous two lectures, we have discussed section 1, 2, 3 and 4 of GATE Architecture and Planning syllabus from the part A, which is common for architecture and planning students, and the relevant NPTEL lectures which are readily available to you on the NPTEL platform. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss for section 5 and 6. Before starting the discussion, I hope you have found the previous lectures useful. If you found this lecture useful, then do comment, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Coming back to the section 5, which is planning process, let's discuss which are the topics which have been covered by the NPTEL. So section 5 includes then further 7 subtopics under planning process. And NPTEL lectures have covered the first one, 5.1, salient concepts, theories and principles of urban planning, as well as 5.3 of concepts and theories by trend-setting planners and designers. So which is the relevant NPTEL lectures? Just discuss it. So the name of the course is Introduction to Urban Planning under the discipline of architecture, and which is coordinated by IIT Roorkee and conducted by Professor Harshit Sosen Lakra. In this particular lecture, in this particular course, all the lectures from all the weeks are important for GATE Architecture and Planning. If you go and see the content, you will see that the Urban Planning 73rd and 74th Constitution Amendment Acts, Urbanization and Sustainable Development, then what are the types of and levels of plans, regional plan, everything have been covered here in this particular course. All these lectures are important for GATE Architecture and Planning. Land Acquisition Act, this subtopic have been again covered in other section also. So this one is the important lecture for urban planning related concepts in GATE Architecture and Planning syllabus. The next subtopic under section 5, which has been covered in NPTEL courses, is methods of non-spatial and spatial data analysis. This particular subtopic is covered under the course titled Geospatial Analysis in Urban Planning under the discipline of Civil Engineering and coordinated by IIT Kharagpur. In this course also, all the subtopics are important for GATE Architecture and Planning. Particularly if you see GATE 2021 question paper, you will find that the question based on the difference between vector data and raster data have been asked. So all the subtopics of this particular course are important for GATE Architecture and Planning. See here, method of spatial analysis have been clearly explained. In week 4, they have include urban sprawl characterization, include landscape metrics, multi-criteria decision analysis. All these week lectures, all lectures from all 4 weeks are important for GATE Architecture and Planning. The next section is housing, which includes 3 subtopics: housing typologies, concepts, principles and examples of neighborhood, affordable housing, residential densities, real estate valuation is the last one. So all these 3 subtopics have been covered under a single course in NPTEL. The course is under the discipline of architecture, and the title of the course is Housing Policy and Planning, coordinated by IIT Roorkee and conducted by Professor Uttam Kumar Roy. In this course also, all the units are important for understanding the concepts related to this particular section 6 of housing. If you go and see the unit wise syllabus or unit wise lectures, you will find that introduction to housing and housing classification, situation, public and the policy intervention have been included in unit 1. All the further units are the important one for understanding the concepts related to housing, affordable housing, etc. So these are the three subtopics which have been covered in this single course of housing policy and planning conducted by IIT Roorkee. This lecture is going to be a short lecture because the next section, section 7, which is services and infrastructure, which is a very important section for GATE architecture and planning. So we are doing a separate lecture for this next section, and there are multiple courses which are available on NPTEL platform, which we will discuss in the separate lecture. So in this today's lecture, we have discussed only section 5 and section 6. So I hope you will find these courses useful while preparing for GATE architecture and planning as well as for the other competitive exams. So I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.